video to this Binatone 5-star. Not a bad looking set from the front, corroded inside. I've could have done with having the camera a bit more zoomed in. We're very, very short of time. Mr. Chippie needs to set off in 5 minutes, and his test's going to take more than 5 minutes because he needs to be elsewhere. And so I've just put the lids on loosely. The internal speaker doesn't work, and it may be nothing I can do about that because there's a 3.5-inch speaker and these are not 3. So we've not heard anybody out on it. The phase-lock loop chip was faulty, and the speech processor chip on audio, transmitted audio, was faulty. So has it been struck by lightning at some time? I don't know. There's no silly. The only silly modifications is for some bizarre reason unbeknown to anybody, it got a electrolytic capacitor across the extension speaker socket, which would have made it really muffled. So we've got the I'll do the piece to base station after Mr. Chippie's gone, and we'll test the original mic which it's come with at that point. So let's see if he's out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Stand by, still setting up.
Roger.
Right, I'm ready.
Roger, off you go.
Roger that. Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the line towards the end of it.
Medium.
Now passing place and doggy daycare, which isn't in use.
Roger on that, that's fine, thank you.
Roger. Right, coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the line.
Roger.
Passing Lancaster service station 133.9 and 141.9, so yeah, they fixed the sign.
The sign's fixed, see what we know.
Right, we're now square wheeled Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you square wheeled at the crossroads.
Roger. Right, now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, you're getting through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford Harbour.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Still got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, they've got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
On the fun intensified star. Traveling at 134 radio, point 1981, 644 southwards. I'm on the standard road to Mike, over.
Yep, roger that. I'll receive, no problems. Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford, level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, he's pushing traffic.
It's a bit slow going, but I'm not stuck in traffic. Passing the Greyleys turn.
The Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point, heading full forward output, radio drawing 1.15 amps, we'll go to low power, which is set at 400 milliwatts, here we go, 540. Oh, there we are, back on full power, over.
Yep, Roger, no problems on full power, low power, had to override the squelch and you weren't readable really much at all. I could tell you were there.
Roger, on that one, you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 138.9 and 144.7.
Roger on that, thank you for that. 8 words to treat, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price at that end today, please? Over.
Yep, 138.9 and 144.7.
Roger on that, thank you for that. It worked a treat, 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
Right, we'll go through to our base station, see what it sounds like on our standard replacement mic, and also an identical looking, genuine Binatone 5-star coffin mic. Find out whether that works, won't we?
Tango 21, testing the Binatone 5-star into our Midland 76900 using our standard replacement mic. And we're on full power. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the hum test, if there's any hum now, we go to low power to see whether the hum diminishes. We're on low power, there shouldn't be a hum because these sets don't suffer from it. Back to full power. There we are, back on full power. Now we'll test it with the factory original mic. Testing with the factory original mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I think we've either got a Murphy base station, we've got the parts for that, Thunderpole 3000, which had no transfer. We've got the parts for that now. And also we've got a SMC Oscar 1. Actually, I think we'll do the SMC Oscar 1 because it's set up for Cybernet, and I can do that in a bit quicker time. So thanks for watching the Binatone 5-star